Here we go! Ha! My turn. Time to shine! Lion Dance! What to do, what to do. Come on then!
Now it begins.
You did it, Hikari! Whirlwind blow! Here we go! Huh, all right!
Prepare yourself. I need this.
My turn. This my journey will not end.
You made it. Good. Sit. Hungry? Eat this. Anchorfish.
What the? This is delicious!
That's life for you. Every living thing devours life, simply to stay alive. But humans are ugly. They kill out of avarice and greed.
You mean Cataracta was killed by humans?
I remember it well. Cataracta was still weak after saving the town from the Great Wave. And then, the Dark Hunter appeared. A single hunter who killed Cataracta. My people came to the Guardian's defense, but only I survived the battle. The hunter took Cataracta's life and then left. Greed soon brought others to the fallen god. Humans swarmed the remains like flies. They took everything, stripped it to raw bone.
Why would they do that?
Cataracta's scales and whiskers were worth more than the finest jewels. They did it for money.
I prefer meat myself. Albiona, can I have another one of these?
You already are.
You have to try this, Akala.
You're a strange one. I feel oddly as if I were speaking to a beast.
We're called beastlings, actually.
Beastlings. Yes, I have heard that word before. Tales of a corner of the world where a race blending man and beast resides. Only tales, though. You are the first of your kind I have ever seen. An unusual texture.
That tickles! Anyway, beast or human has never mattered much to me. What matters to me now is whether I can have another one of those.
Maybe I can trust you with it after all.
Trust me with what?
You'll see.
Is this an egg?
Cataracta laid it just before dying. A final bequest. Been safe in my care ever since. Never showed signs of hatching before. Must have been waiting for this moment.
Huh?
Will you warm it for me? Cataracta knew death was near, and bore this child to fulfill her duty instead. Her duty to save your village.
Whoa!
A crack in the shell. I knew it.
Wow! 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 It hatched! Meow. Meow. Aren't you a cutie?
So, this is Cataracta's child.
I think it likes you. Take it with you. It may be some use against that calamity you mentioned.
Oh, it's cute and all, but it doesn't look very strong.
That is the child of Cataracta. I assure you it will make a powerful ally.
It's up to you, Ochette. My role is to abide by your judgment.
How about you? What do you want to do? It's a dangerous journey. Sure you want to come along? Okay then, if you're sure. Welcome to the team.
Have you decided on a name for it?
Yeah, Acta. Meow, meow.
I think that name pleases it. I can tell it has found a good home.
Don't worry, I'll help it grow up big and strong. Thanks for keeping it safe until now.
Now, I can finally lay my burden down.
Alpione?
Just the salt breeze in my eyes. Take care of your new charge. May fortune smile on you both.
We'll come back to visit sometime. Once it's all over.